Hey you guys, it's Kami with Coast DIY Bar. Barb and I are wrapping up the takeout pickup day for Monday, and just listened to the governor's order, and I'm happy to announce that it does sound like the way that we're doing things, which is very low volume in people and very distant and safe, that we are probably pretty good to keep going like we're doing. So I'm excited about that. I will read the order tonight and double check to make sure, but right now it sounded like we're good to go. So I'm excited about that. So I wanted to jump on one time real quick and say that we're good. I wanted to show you this pour that we did earlier, and then do one more because why not? Barb was like, are you sure you want to do another one? And I said, of course I do. Yeah. So all you do when it's done is you're going to pop it right off. So how long has it been? Not even a couple of hours, and it's mostly dry. There's a couple spots if I'm not careful where I'm touching, but I was careful. This right now is my favorite color palette so far. So this one turned out great. It still feels cold to the touch, so I'm gonna be a little bit gentle with it, which is hard with a heavy egg, but all good. These, yeah, right? Every time I go live, Barb is knocking stuff down. Hey, Michelle. Okay, so these are the egg that I dipped. How cool is that? Yeah, that's cool, right? And then the bunny. These are still really wet, so because they're laying flat and they're not concrete, so they're not drying the same. But they look amazing. But I'm gonna do one more pour because I can. Hang on, I gotta move some stuff around real quick. And here's the benefit of being in the shop. You just roll it up and throw it away. We are still gonna keep doing what we're doing. I am gonna be closed tomorrow because I gotta restock. I've got to do all of that. And oh, hey, Barb's gone. I gotta go pick something. Hang on. I've got to get my cup to do my pour. Woo. Okay, I got it. I'm coming back. If you're watching, I'm coming back. I promise. Okay, true to form, I'm not. I do love this pour, Michelle. Here's the other thing that I'm gonna do. I've decided I haven't figured out the logistics, so be patient with me. We've got to figure that out, but I'm gonna do an Easter egg hunt with these. So the more I pour, the better for everybody. I gotta find a way to do it in a safe way. So I'm still thinking that through a little bit, let's be honest. I'm not 100% sure how that's gonna go. But I do think that it would be fun to do an Easter egg hunt with these. So stay tuned, I'll figure it out. Okay, so you get your 3 paints with the kit. You're gonna stir them up real quick. Earlier, Lauren asked for black and gold and something white, I think. That just felt too formal, Lauren. I couldn't do it. I had to go beachy. And I love turquoise and red. So I'm trying to do palettes that are available with the kit. So that's good. So again, if you're just logging in, I'm doing a quick pour. I wanted to touch base after watching the governor just now at 2 o'clock. And I feel like I got to read the order. That's what I had to do last time. I really want to, we're going to do the right thing. So I want to read it and make sure all is okay. But it sounded like we could continue with the process that we're doing. I am just dipping into the silicone that I had from this morning's pour. I'm trying it in the white this time. But anyway, back to the order. I do believe that it is the same order for brick and mortars, which means that we will not be doing our distance DIYs, even though I do believe that legally we can. I feel like it's just a little bit too risky, so we're not gonna do that. But we are gonna continue our takeout and our pickup schedule, and we're going to continue our delivery. So I will be road warrioring. Oh, that's a tough one. On Thursday. So I'm putting the silicone in the red and the white. Hey, Princess Barbara Joy, where are you? Oh, she's feeling stain in the back. Can I pick your own colors if you come in? You can. If you do a takeout and you come in and you pick it up, you can pick the colors that you want. You don't have to choose one. Oh, Princess Barbara Joy.
Yes.
Why don't you bring me a pour cup? A cup?
A cup? A pour cup?
A pour cup. Yes, so Michelle, you can, we have created color palettes for purchasing on the online store to make it easy, but you can, thank you, my dear.
I'm off trying the new stain that we got.
Well, Barbara's playing with new stain in the back. Yes. We got a bunch of new colors. She's covered.
And we got navy blue.
We got navy blue. I'm just getting away from you.
Oh.
Social distance. Social distance!
I'm not social.
Oh! I'm falling off the stool. Okay.
Call the governor on me.
Call the governor on Barb. Okay. Yeah, we've got new stains. We've got a true navy. We've got a beachy blue. We've got a bay blue.
And this true black.
Oh, and we have a true black and a couple others. Okay, so I'm gonna make this a fast one, you guys, because Barb thinks I'm crazy, but I do love doing these egg pours. With the egg pours, we are going to, once they're all dried, I'm gonna pick a day and I'm gonna go hide them around town. It might be the same day that I deliver, which makes a lot of sense when you think about it. So, there we go. Sorry, y'all. People calling my phone. All right. I got it. Oh, the flies. I hope this is enough room to not make too big of a mess. If it isn't, you'll watch me panic live. That'll be fun. I feel like it is. Can you guys see it? Okay. All right. Emily, if you're calling me, I will call you right back. Okay. So.
Good job, Emily.
She can help me down. All right. So we're just going to do a quick pour. So this is red, turquoise, and white. Oh, here comes some cells.
Ooh.
Oh, good response. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Look at the cells on that one.
Ooh.
Don't make a mess.
I'm not, but I am.
Yes, you are.
I know. Watch
That's
it.
okay.
Okay. Tip. Have your popsicle stick close by, just in case. Emily, she's live, Michelle. That's right. Welcome to my world. Okay, one more thing, Princess Barbara Joy.
Yes.
Would you get me a dipper or two?
A dipper?
A bunny or
Yes.
an egg? So I don't know if you guys can see down here, because I did this swipe action, I have a lot of cells on this cardboard right here because it's pulled it and mixed together a lot. There's a lot of white that's popping up on this one. We'll see if it continues to pop through. Lots of bubbles. All right, so you know we can dip. We're gonna dip. Nice. You just sit it right on a lid or something. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
All right. And Bunny. Okay. I just think we should just keep pouring them, but all right, I've just done the egg pour again. I'm getting a lot of bubbles. On the back, I've got a lot of white. There's a lot of red. We're gonna see how this one turns out. It's gonna be interesting. A lot of white is holding on this one. It really wants to be on the egg. So we'll see. It might just be a candy stripe by the time we're done. Okay, so Emily, I see you calling, girl. She's on there now. I'm gonna call you back. So Michelle says I'm live and I get to call you back in a minute. So I just did a quick pour because I wanted to jump on. I was listening to the governor, and I will read the order tonight. I will know for sure if that's okay. But from what I heard them say, we're still good to go. We have been extremely cautious in here. Everybody's great about coming in, putting on gloves if you need to, whatever makes you comfortable. We've got our gloves and stuff on that makes us comfortable. So we're doing that. We're going to keep going. We will be doing delivery on Thursday. Know that you need to get your order in by Tuesday, like midnight or something, just before I wake up on Wednesday. And I will build the orders on Wednesday for Thursday. We will be open Wednesday from 11 to 3 for pickup and takeout. So what's the difference? Pickup means you've sent us an order in online. We will have it bagged and ready. When it tells you, we'll click the ready button and it will message you, and you just come in, pick it up and go. You don't even have to talk to us. Oh, maybe say hi. And then the takeout is you can come in and browse, and we've got gloves and Lysol and everything that you need to browse carefully, and we do keep our numbers extremely low. So we feel like we're doing a good job, and we'll just keep posting what we have, okay? All right, so these are good. Stay tuned. The more pours I do, the more fun we're going to have. Once we figure it out, we are going to do an Easter egg hunt for these. That's what we're going to do. I think I might put them at my favorite small businesses around town and make you go find them. So that's what I think we might do, but stay tuned. I'll post a little bit more on that later. Thanks for watching. I will post what this looks like. I think we're going to have a candy cane by the time we're done. I think my turquoise didn't hold out too well against the white. It wants to be there. But that's it. We're going to close at 3. We're going to be closed for another day. I'm going to catch up on the 1,000 messages that I'm behind on and everything like that. And I promise to catch up. But thanks for being so interested and keeping us busy. Take care. Have a great rest of the day.